Hello guys, welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add your YouTube link to your TikTok account. So here's my tutorial TikTok account. So I'm right there in it. So you click on edit profile and then you scroll all the way down way under where it says social. So you see an option on add YouTube, then you click on that. And it just take you to all your Gmail. Then you just select the Gmail related to your connected to your YouTube account. Then you click on that, then it automatically link it to your TikTok account. So if you want your audience, your followers to engage with you on YouTube, that is how you can link your YouTube to your TikTok account. It's also a benefit and an opportunity for you to attract more followers or more subscribers to your YouTube account. And basically after doing that, then you click it. But right now I'm not doing it, I'm just showing you how to go about it, and that's how you do it. So anyway, catch you later in my next video.